What's up, guys? Today I was installing the Vision Plus, the same creating experiences after sales user. This is so guys, welcome to my channel, Frank Plumber. And today I was in a job as daily. Now this is what I was doing of today. You on install, you can see the outlet inlet. This is the water inlet. Can I come here? So see inside. So I want to test it. I want to fix the clothes inside. Let me bring those clothes here. We are going to fix, to load it with the clothes. So we are done, guys. I'm closing. Then I on this. Sima iko.
Nimekumbuka.
Here is where you put your socks. Then you close. This is you will pin it. It is off now. When the steamer comes, go this pin. And when you want to load water, you go until here. Then you load enough water here. Load enough water. According to me, if you want to wash hot, you wash the steam. If you want to rinse and spin, you put it here. If you want to spin, you put it here. If you want it off, if you want it to mixed, Eco 40 to 60, cotton 20 degrees centigrade, express 30 degrees, express 15 degrees, drum empty. The water will come what's here, going outside. We did a plumbing here. Plumbing job is a fantastic game. Guys, so today is an experience that I've experienced today. It's not that I'm 100%, but I'm just trying as best. Every day we have criticization, but that doesn't make you to wake up and go to job. You have to find and work every day because you are born alone. You are not born with somebody. That's what you are doing it alone. The reward you will get it alone. So just work at your level best. Thank you, guys.